Look at these visuals, and of course, as the news spreads of the Surya Abhishek, the dance, dhol, and the celebrations erupting in the Ayodhya Dham. For the moment, remember, and these are not just Ayodhya Vasis, you must know, as our colleagues on the ground were interacting, people from across the country have gathered here, even though, of course, there have been strict security arrangements made so that the crowd does not go out of control. But you can see the women dancing, celebrating, and having a moment and documenting it for themselves that they were in Ayodhya for the Surya Abhishek to happen. What a moment this has been, remember, because Pran Pratishtha was to ensure that now Ram Lalla is seen as in a living form, as a deity for all, not just as an idol or a scripture, as a scripture that has been made. But now, from January, February, March, and April, on his birthday, the Ram Navami that we've all grown up celebrating, but in many ways it was just in theory, isn't it? And that's why I bring in Dushyant Sridhar here. Dushyant, with that incredible visual of the Surya Abhishek, to many of us who've grown up observing, marking, celebrating the Ram Navami, it was in many ways, it was theory. You knew there's a Ram Navami and you were celebrating, and there are Ram temples across the country. But that Ram temple and that Ram Lalla in Ayodhya, in the birthplace, was missing. And to have that as a celebration today, do you think it's absolutely a different moment to recognize and watch?
Very true, very true. Yes, as you rightly pointed out, there is a Rama Navami that comes every year. So it is not that we have never seen a Rama Navami. Yes. There is a Rama Navami that comes every year. And there are plenty of Rama's temples which are historical, which are extremely related to the Puranas and the Itihasas found across the country. But having the Rama Navami celebrated in such a grand fashion, with so much of pomp and so much of devotion that is an exhibition, in the very Rama Janmabhoomi where he was born. See, to anybody, even to a primitive mortal like me or you, we feel that the place where we are born is so close to us. And just imagine for the iconic avatara of Narayana called Rama Avataram, which is Ayodhya. So the celebration of Rama Navami in the very Rama Janmabhoomi temple of Ayodhya is a big feat. It is a big achievement, and we have to thank our stars that we are here to witness all of that in our own Janma. We saw the Prana
Yes, literally thank the stars and the celestial bodies to come together. Dushyant, I have a question. What was your first thought when you saw what was this mechanism put in place, but when you saw this visual, whether on your television screens, on your mobile phone, when it grazed the forehead? Can you tell us perhaps the first emotion or thought that you felt?
See, when we call it Atithi Devo Bhava. So we treat our guests as God. And for Surya, it is the solar system. And in the solar system, there is Earth. So for Ram Lalla coming to Ayodhya again, was Surya welcoming his Atithi, his guest. And how do you welcome your Atithi? By taking an Harati. So I thought Surya, through his race, beautiful race, was doing an Harati to Rama on a Surya Tilak. So it was he who was welcoming his guest to his solar system.
Beautiful, beautifully said. Now, I may not have been able to use those terms. All I said was, wow, this looks incredible, and this looks better than perhaps I thought as well. Dushyant, please stay on with me, because we're looking at these visuals that have come in. So that moment has concluded. We are replaying that visual for you now while the celebrations have erupted across Ayodhya, and I'm pretty sure across the country in different parts as well. But look at that sharp, crisp beam of the sun rays to ensure that it falls exactly but delicately on the deity, forms the Surya Tilak and Surya Abhishek. Let's dip into the ground report coming in from Ayodhya.
अयोध्या में राम जन्मभूमि मंदिर में सूर्य तिलक हुआ, लेकिन उसका उल्लास, उसका उत्साह, राम जन्म का उत्साह आप देखिए यहाँ कनक भवन में किस तरह से है। ढोल नगाड़े बज रहे हैं, मंजीरे बज रहे हैं, और लोग गीत संगीत में बिल्कुल मग्न हैं, मानो ऐसा उनके जीवन का अद्भुत दिन है। यहाँ पर ये हमें दृश्य दिखाई पड़ रहा है। देखिए आप बिल्कुल एक्सक्लूसिव ये तस्वीरें देखिए गुड न्यूज टुडे पर हमारे दर्शक देख रहे हैं। ये बताइए कितना खुशी का दिन है। आज भगवान राम साक्षात विराजमान हुए हैं और हमारे राम जी साक्षात प्रकट हुए हैं। ऐसा हाथ लग गए हो। ये देखिए आप पूछ रही है क्या भाव है, हमें शब्द सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहे हैं आपके, लेकिन भाव समझ में आ रहा है।
बहुत ही खुशी का माहौल है, देश विदेश से लोग आए हुए हैं और आज सचमुच में राम आ गए, भगवान राम आ गए हैं, इससे खुशी का माहौल है। बहुत बहुत
बिल्कुल, देखिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ बिल्कुल जैसे घर में कोई बड़ा आयोजन होता है तो लोग खुश होते हैं, जो मनोभाव है वो दिल से बिल्कुल बाहर निकलते हैं। वैसे कुछ भक्तों की आंखों में हमने अश्रु देखे, लेकिन कुछ भक्तों को हमने देखा कि वो खुशी से झूम रहे हैं, और यही खुशी, यही उल्लास यहाँ चारों तरफ है। अयोध्या के जो मंदिर हैं, कनक भवन हो, हनुमानगढ़ी हो, दशरथ महल हो, यहाँ वो जगह है ये सब जहाँ राम कथा कहते हैं, राम कथा इससे जुड़ी हुई है। क्योंकि आप देखिए कि किस तरह से भक्त यहाँ आते हैं, अपने आयोजक भी वही हैं और इसके साथ ही साथ अतिथि भी वही है। तो यहाँ पर भी ये पूरा उल्लास हमें दिखाई पड़ रहा है। गीत संगीत का सिलसिला थम नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि आज सूर्य तिलक एक ऐसा अद्भुत, एक ऐसा अवसर है जिसकी प्रतीक्षा हर राम भक्त को थी, लेकिन हर राम भक्त उसको कैसे व्यक्त करे, वो लोग भी जिन्होंने इसको देखा, यानी मंदिर प्रांगण में इसके साक्षी बने, और वो लोग भी जो बाहर से इसको देख रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं। लेकिन इसके साथ ही दृश्य हम देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से ये अद्भुत दृश्य, आप देखिए, शायद ऐसा दृश्य आपने अयोध्या से इस खुशी को देखकर ही महसूस किया जा सकता है कि किस तरह की ये खुशी है।
That's Shilpi Sen getting us this ground report as well. So, of course, if there are devotees on the ground, there's the public, there's Prime Minister Modi himself. He was addressing a rally in Assam and interrupted it when he must have got the confirmation that the Surya Abhishek has happened. Here's how Prime Minister Modi reacted in Assam.
500 वर्षों के इंतजार के बाद आखिर भगवान राम अपने भव्य मंदिर में विराजमान हुए हैं, और अभी कुछ ही मिनटों के बाद प्रभु राम को सूर्य तिलक करके उनका जन्मोत्सव अयोध्या की पवित्र नगरी में राम मंदिर में मनाया जाएगा।